5 home remedies for swollen lymph nodes in neck and throat. If you feel your throat when it's sore, you will probably notice that there are hard lumps in your throat area that are tender to touch. These are swollen lymph nodes. The lymph nodes are swollen because of the lymphatic system has been draining away the excess fluid from the inflamed tissues in your throat, and fluid contains toxic irritants. These irritants have caused the tissues damage in the lymph nodes, which have in turn become inflamed. So what you're feeling are inflamed lymph nodes, and these inflamed lymph nodes are swollen down lymphatic system in your throat area. The first one is honey. Honey is a natural remedy that helps prevent enlarged lymph nodes. Its anti-inflammatory property helps ease pain and swelling. In addition, its antibacterial property helps to find the infection that are likely causing this problem. Mix 1 or 2 tablespoons of raw honey and some lemon juice in a cup of water. Drink it twice daily for a week. Castor oil. You can also use castor oil, which has anti-inflammatory and analgesic property to reduce the swelling in lymph glands. It improves the flow of lymph throughout the body, speeding up the removal of toxin. This helps to reduce the size of swollen lymph nodes. It even gives a boost to your immune system. Generally rub some cold pressed castor oil in the swollen area for 5 minutes. A warm compress on the area for another 5 to 10 minutes. Repeat this remedy once or twice daily for a week. Turmeric. This therapeutic herb is particularly effective in bringing down the swelling of enlarged lymph glands. It has anti-inflammatory as well as analgesic property that helps to reduce swelling and pain. It can even fight the infections and facilitate healing. Mix 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder with enough honey to make a paste. Apply it on the swollen area, wait for 10 minutes, and then rinse it off with warm water. Follow this remedy twice daily for about a week. Drink a glass of warm turmeric milk twice daily. Another option is to take turmeric supplements after consulting a doctor. Echinacea. Another frequently used herb to treat swollen lymph node is echinacea. It has powerful antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. It helps strengthen the lymph system as well as fight the infections by purifying the blood and lymph nodes. Apply echinacea cream or ointment typically 2 or 3 times a day to reduce swelling. You can also drink 1 to 2 cups of echinacea tea daily for not more than 1 week. Alternatively, take echinacea supplements of 300 mg twice daily for a week. Consult your doctor before taking this supplement. Cleavers. Herbalists recommend the use of cleavers, scientific name Gallium asparine, also known as goosegrass and stickyweed, for lymphangitis. This therapeutic herb stimulates the function of the lymphatic system to reinforce proper functioning. This helps reduce swelling. Add 2 teaspoons of this herb to a cup of water. Steep for 10 minutes. Then strain it. Drink this tea 2 to 3 times daily until you notice the improvement. Alternatively, take 20 to 30 drops of cleavers tincture mixed with water daily.